Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can download HappyMod on your computer, and this is a simple process. You may have tried this, but it it might have not worked. I'm going to explain to you how you can download this. You need to go to your browser and type in google.com. Okay, then you need to type in LDPlayer 9 player 9. You click on this first option here. Then you click on this first link here. Then you need to download this thing here, and it should give you something like this. Something like this. Now on to your second step. You need to go to your settings, type in virus, and you need to disable your virus protection. As you can see here, it's disabled, and then it's ready to install. And then from here on, as you can see here, it's installing. Now from this app here, you can freely download HappyMod on your laptop. And that is simply how it's done. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me in the comment section whether it has worked for you.